Alright guys, gonna teach you how to root your phone. First, wait. Here, download this King user app, which I'll give you a link where you can download it. Well, I'll think what link will I use. And here you are. Hmm, hmm, what does it do? Well guys, when you download it, this King user, this is how it does. See? This is probably cool, but you I think you will not able to use this when you have a Avast Mobile Security. So when you download this, there will be a thing that will show you how to root your phone. But note, if you reboot your phone, reboot, factory default, and the King user is still there, the King user will be a bit built-in app. So that will be a problem, and that happens to me. So beware, do not do that, and just make it pure and clean. Do not reboot your phone and the King user is still installed. Gonna give you the link. Where should I download it? Never mind. Just okay, guys. See ya.